State of Florida versus Joseph Adam Zieler, case number 16 CF 455. Verdict. We, the jury, finds as follows as to the defendant, Joseph Adam Zieler, in this case. Count 1, first-degree murder of Robin Cornell. Aggravating factors. We, the jury, unanimously find that the state has established beyond a reasonable doubt that Joseph Adam Zieler was previously convicted of another capital felony or a felony involving the use or threat of violence to another person. Yes. We, the jury, unanimously find that the state has established beyond a reasonable doubt that the first-degree murder was committed while Joseph Adam Zieler was engaged in the commission of or an attempt to commit a burglary. Yes. We, the jury, unanimously find that the state has established beyond a reasonable doubt that the first-degree murder was especially heinous, atrocious, or cruel. Yes. We, the jury, unanimously find that the state has established beyond a reasonable doubt that the first-degree murder was committed in a cold, calculated, and premeditated manner without any pretense of moral or legal justification. Yes. Jury verdict as to death penalty. Having unanimously signed that at least one aggravating factor has been established beyond a reasonable doubt, at least 8 jurors recommend that Joseph Adam Zieler should be sentenced to death. Yes, by a vote of 10 for a sentence of death and 2 for a sentence of life in prison without the possibility of parole for 25 years. Count 2, first-degree murder of Lisa Story. Aggravating factors. We, the jury, unanimously find that the state has established beyond a reasonable doubt that Joseph Adam Zieler was previously convicted of another capital felony or a felony involving the use or threat of violence to another person. Yes. We, the jury, unanimously find that the state has established beyond a reasonable doubt that the first-degree murder was committed while Joseph Adam Zieler was engaged in the commission of or an attempt to commit a burglary. Yes. We, the jury, unanimously find that the state has established beyond a reasonable doubt that the first-degree murder was especially heinous, atrocious, or cruel. Yes. We, the jury, unanimously find that the state has established beyond a reasonable doubt that the first-degree murder was committed in a cold, calculated, and premeditated manner without any pretense of moral or legal justification. Yes. Jury verdict as to death penalty. Having unanimously find that at least one aggravating factor has been established beyond a reasonable doubt, at least 8 jurors recommend that Joseph Adam Zieler should be sentenced to death. Yes.
All right, there it was last night, just before 11 p.m. Jurors voted 10-2 in favor of the death penalty for Zieler, of course, in connection with that 1990 double murder of Robin Cornell and her babysitter, Lisa Story. It no longer needs to be unanimous in Florida. We're going to talk about that. But first, after excusing the jury, the judge addressed the defendant.
Mr. Zieler, the jury having found you guilty of 2 counts of first-degree murder and having rendered a sentence of death in this matter, you are hereby adjudicated guilty and remanded to the custody of the sheriff pending sentencing, the Spencer hearing on June 26, 2023 at 1:30 p.m. Please stand over to be fingerprinted. We are adjourned.